Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv. Today, we're looking at the Lubluelu Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. This sleek stick vacuum promises up to 50 minutes of runtime, a lightweight build, and specialized tools for tackling everything from pet hair to hardwood floors. But does it deliver? Let's find out. The Lubluelu Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is designed for a variety of cleaning needs, from carpets to hard floors, with an emphasis on convenience and ease of use. The vacuum operates in 3 adjustable modes: min, mid, and max, allowing you to fine-tune power based on your cleaning requirements. In Eco mode, it runs for up to 50 minutes, which is a solid runtime for a vacuum of this class. You can switch between modes to get more suction power when you need it, with max offering 25 kPa for those tougher tasks. The removable battery is a nice touch, giving you the flexibility to charge it anywhere. No need to worry about finding an outlet near your cleaning area. One standout feature is its self-standing design. Unlike many vacuums that require wall-mounted brackets or leaning against furniture during breaks, the Lubluelu stands on its own, which makes pausing for a quick rest or storing it between sessions incredibly easy. The vacuum comes with a dusting brush and crevice tool, perfect for corners and narrow spaces. A storage holder keeps everything organized, reducing the chance of misplacing attachments. For a vacuum that doesn't take up much space, this feature really makes a difference. When it comes to maneuverability, the Lubluelu shines with its 160-degree flexible swivel and 90-degree tilt, making it easy to get under furniture and into tight spots. The 3 LED lights are an excellent addition, illuminating dark corners and spots you might otherwise miss. Weighing just 4.6 pounds, it's light enough for extended use without causing strain on your wrist or back, which is an important consideration for long cleaning sessions. In terms of real-world performance, the Lubluelu tackles pet hair with ease. Whether it's on carpets or upholstery, it picks up hair and debris without struggle. On hard floors, the vacuum glides smoothly, picking up dust and crumbs effectively. The adjustable suction power is useful, allowing you to dial down for everyday dusting or dial up for deeper cleanse on carpets or pet hair. However, its performance on thicker rugs or deeper carpets can be a little less impressive in the lower modes, as it doesn't have the deep carpet cleaning power that some heavier duty models offer. But in a typical home with a mix of hard floors and thinner carpets, it works just fine. The included accessories, a crevice tool and 2-in-1 upholstery brush, are practical, especially for cleaning car interiors and stairs. These tools make it easy to clean those nooks and crannies that are hard to reach with the main vacuum head. The crevice tool is particularly helpful for tight spaces, while the upholstery brush is great for cleaning furniture without damaging delicate fabrics. Noise-wise, the Lubluelu isn't excessively loud, but it does have a noticeable hum on higher suction settings. It's not the quietest vacuum, but it's certainly bearable for most people. The filtration system is also solid, but it's worth noting that it doesn't have a HEPA filter, so it might not be ideal for those with severe allergies. If you're just dealing with regular dust and pet hair, however, the filtration works well enough. As for build quality, the Lubluelu feels sturdy and well constructed. The plastic is solid, and there's no sense that it's cheaply made. The joints and connections feel secure, and the vacuum doesn't wobble or creak when in use. The dustbin is easy to empty, and the maintenance is straightforward, though you'll want to regularly clean the brush roll to avoid hair buildup. When it comes to value for money, the Lubluelu is a strong contender in its price range. Its runtime, ease of use, and flexibility with the different modes and attachments make it a solid investment for families, pet owners, or anyone with a variety of floor types. It's a versatile vacuum that handles most cleaning tasks effectively, but it might not be the best choice if you have deep carpets or need a vacuum with industrial-strength suction. At its price point, however, it delivers good value, especially for people who need a reliable, lightweight vacuum for everyday cleaning. If you're comparing the Lubluelu to other vacuums in this price range, there are some solid alternatives. The Shark Rocket Corded Ultralight Stick Vacuum, for example, offers strong suction power and a similar lightweight design, but lacks the cordless convenience and battery flexibility of the Lubluelu. Then there's the Dyson V8, a more expensive cordless vacuum that offers excellent suction and filtration, but at a premium price. The Lubluelu isn't quite as powerful or feature-packed as some of these higher-end options, but it holds its own for the price, especially when you factor in its compact design and ease of use. In terms of build quality, maintenance, and longevity, the Lubluelu is fairly low maintenance. The filter is washable, and the brush roll is easy to clean, which is a big plus. The detachable battery means you can replace it if needed, though it doesn't have the same long-term reliability track record as brands like Dyson or Shark. But with the 2-year warranty, you're covered for the first few years, and customer support is available to address any concerns. If you have any questions or already own the Lubluelu, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss any of our reviews. Until next time, keep your home clean and your vacuums running strong. Goodbye, and happy cleaning!